Welcome dear students. In this video we are going to learn sixth method of proving Pythagoras theorem. Let us recall once more the statement of Pythagoras theorem. It states that the square of the hypotenuse of a right triangle equals the sum of the squares of the other two sides. In the figure, ABC is a right triangle in which angle ABC is right angle, that is it is 90 degrees, and the side opposite to it AC is the hypotenuse. Therefore, as per the Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, and let us see how we prove this. For proving Pythagoras theorem by this method, we are going to use a concept connected with circle, tangent and secant. In the figure, you can see a circle and P is an external point. From that external point, PT is a tangent and PA is a secant which cuts the circle at P. In a situation like this, the given formula which you can see on the screen always holds good. That is PT square is equal to PA into PB. Make a note of it or just note it down in your notebook. We are going to use this formula to help us in proving the Pythagoras theorem by this method. Take a circle and take one external point P. From that external point P, draw tangent PT. Now join OT where O is the center of the given circle. We know that radius drawn through point of contact of a tangent is perpendicular to the tangent. Therefore, angle OTP or PTO is right angle or is equal to 90 degrees. So this is another thing which we have to keep in mind, that the radius drawn through the point of contact is perpendicular to the tangent through that point of contact. Join PO and extend it to meet the circle at A. In other words, PA is a secant which is passing through the center of the circle. Now OA is equal to OB is equal to OT is equal to radius. So OA, OB and OT are all radii of the same circle. Therefore, they are equal to each other. Now, as per the formula which we shared with you in the beginning, PT square, which is tangent, is equal to PA into PB. So this is nothing but the same formula which we shared with you. Now PA can be written as PO plus OA and PB can be written as PO minus OB. Again, OA is equal to OB is equal to OT is equal to radius. Now replacing OA and OB with OT, we get PT square is equal to PO plus OT into PO minus OT. Now look at the right hand side. It is nothing but the algebraic identity A plus B into A minus B, which is equal to A square minus B square. Therefore, the right hand side becomes PO square minus OT square. Rearranging the terms, we get PO square is equal to PT square plus OT square. Now look at the triangle POT. This triangle is nothing but a right triangle in which angle OTP is 90 degree and the side opposite to it OP is the PO is the hypotenuse, and we have proved that PO square is equal to PT square plus OT square. This is nothing but the proof of Pythagoras theorem which we were trying to prove. I hope this video was helpful to you in learning this new method, different method for proving the Pythagoras theorem. For more videos related to education, math concepts, puzzles and riddles and Gurbani, do subscribe to this channel and also do remember to like and share the videos as well. Thank you very much. God bless you all. ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ। ਰੱਬ ਰੱਖਾ।